Yeah, super excited. We've got about 8 projects happening simultaneously. There wasn't another company that even had the capacity to do this, but we're essentially transforming the exterior of this house in about a week and a half. It just so happens that it coincides with a wedding date that we're doing in 2 weeks. So we'll go from having a house that we can't enjoy at all to being able to hang out and have a cocktail on the patio.
Hey everyone, Zach with Exterior Recovery here. Day 1 of this complete exterior remodel. So we just met this guy last night, and we just want to show you how quick we can get moving on this stuff. As I was saying, we met last night, and they have a wedding coming up, so they're getting married, and they want to have the reception here, and so we're going to make it happen. All right guys, so yeah, we're gonna get this done in record time for them. We start the next day. I don't know if you know any other contractors that'll be here the next day working for you. All right, hey everyone, just wanted to give you a quick update here, day 4, and we're moving. We've got all 3 sides done with siding. So they've already tore off 2 layers of old siding, put up the house wrap moisture barrier, and then now they're going up with all new products. So as you see, we've got 3 sides almost completely done. So on this house, we're doing James Hardie siding and trim. This is the primed version, and then we're gonna come in and paint everything. We just wrapped up this complete exterior remodel, so come take a look around. On this house, we have James Hardie siding and trim. So it's gonna be a cement board that's not gonna rot on you like these older wood sidings, and it's gonna last a long time and be durable for the home. So yeah, you'll see here we got this 200 square foot patio we got. So it's concrete with the cover. So we have tongue and groove cedar. And then in the gable, we actually put the tongue and groove above the rafters for a nice high-end luxury look.
My experience was great. They were super communicative. The guys, they had a ton of crew out here, but I always knew when they were gonna be here, and there were really no surprises. So that worked out great. We had some weather and they powered right through it. I've already recommended them to, I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 people, and everybody just keeps on collecting their information. And I think they're gonna get a lot of business because, like I said, high energy, very fair and reasonable pricing, transparent with everything. And yeah, I can't speak highly enough of them. So they're going in my kit for, you know, trusted contractors, and I'm getting other people who just do interior remodeling. I want them to have Exterior Recovery as their go-to so that they can have a trusted referral, because I know it makes them look either good or really bad if they get a bad one. So so yeah, it was more than we could have asked for, and we were very grateful that we found them.
Now you can see this space is so much more usable now that it's opened up, and they were able to enjoy their wedding. That makes us happy, and we're on to the next one. So if you want to add a space like this to your house, give us a call at Exterior Recovery.